Hello friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Happy holidays. I hope you guys gonna like this hairstyle. I hope you're able to use it. I am starting with a dry hair. I will start by separating my hair into 3 parts. I'm going to separate the front first. I am using my fingers first for the separation, and later I will be using an hair to define the part. I am going to put the front part to the side while I go back to the back to start separating it into 2. Separating a little section from the side, which is going to be the one that's going to be scooped to the back. I am going to be spraying my hair, of course, before I start manipulating it with water. This is really important, especially when you're working with dry hair. It helps in reducing breakage. After the water, I am going to be going in with my shea butter mix, my DIY that I did here on my channel. If you want to see, I am going to link it somewhere above and on the description box. After this, I am going to go ahead and just separate my side part into 3. If you want, you can make it smaller, but I am going to just do 3 and I'm going to be flat twisting it. In this section, you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. You can cornrow it. If you do not know how to do either, you can actually just twist it to the back, the regular twist that you would do. I'm done twisting the side and I'm moving on to the back. Like I said, you want to keep your hair moisturized. The best way to do that is by using water and seal it in, and which is what I'm doing here. I'm really not doing too much with the back. All I'm doing is just making sure it's soft enough for me to be able to brush, be able to pull it up the way I want it. For the back is going to be going on eye bun up to the point where I can take it, because I pretty much already took some of the hair from the front. So the back that I have right now is going to go as higher as possible. And I'm adding the flat twist to it so I can pull everything up together. With the help of Mali here, I use 1/3 of a pack, and I've been using this here for a little bit, so it's not new. I just added hair band into it so it'd be easy for me to secure it to my hair. I put the Mali hair up so I can be able to separate it from my hair, and I use bobby pin to hold my hair to the point where I want it to be, which if you have a shorter hair you might not be able to pull it, and if you have a longer hair you might be able to pull it all the way down. But for this style it's better to put it in a position where I'm putting it right now and secure it with the bobby pin. Since the hair it's already separated into two, I am just going to go ahead and wrap the Mali hair around my real hair, my natural hair. You can pretty much make this your style. You can do whichever way you want to do. You can go in a variation of whatever comes to mind for you. So all I'm doing is just tuck it in, and I use a bobby pin to secure it in place. And that's pretty much what the back required. Now we're going to be moving on to the front. Of course, you're going to see me. I am going to be using the water, and I am going to be following up with shea butter mix. Because the front is going to be a bang style, I am separating my hair into two, and I'm twisting it in such a way that it's just in the tip of it and it's very loose. I'm so sorry, the natural lighting kept changing. That's why I look wash off and sew. So all I did is I just used a bobby pin to secure both in place. This is pretty much what it required. Now let's move on to the most awesome part of it. I love this headpiece. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link this in the description box just in case you're interested or you want to get it. This is meant for a wedding accessory, but you know what? Nobody said you cannot use it if you want to look elegant, right? I just kind of pin it to my hair, and that's what give the hair vavavoom type of vibe. I really like it. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you will wear this during this holiday or sometimes in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.